Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the Fidelity app, tap Accounts, then open an account to start a Roth IRA application and follow the guided prompts. You will provide personal details, your social security number, and beneficiary information. Verify identity with a photo ID if requested. You must confirm eligibility. Roth IRA has income limits and contribution face-outs that depend on filing status and modified adjusted gross income for the current tax year. You can fund the new Roth IRA via bank transfer, mobile check deposit, or a rollover from an eligible retirement account. Initiate a rollover or transfer under transfers, move money to bring assets into your Roth IRA, choosing account types and amounts. For direct rollovers, provide the sending institution details and select Trustee or Trustee to avoid withholding and tax complications. Use bank ACH transfers to contribute up to 000 for 2025 or 000 if age 50 plus including catch-up. Verify contribution year when submitting. Label transfers correctly and choose taxable to Roth conversions carefully, because conversions create taxable investments by tapping trade or build a portfolio to allocate between stocks, ETF, and mutual funds, and set target allocations or use Fidelity model portfolios. Monitor contributions, conversions, and distributions in the Activity tab. Fidelity issues Form 1099-R for rollovers and distributions and Form 5498 for contributions and fair market value reporting each tax year. Remember Roth rules. Withdrawals of contributions are tax-free anytime. Qualified withdrawals of earnings are tax-free after age 59 and 1/2, and the 5-year rule has been met in the first tax year of your Roth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.